new person coming in, giving you ideas, talking to you. This could be a proposal coming to you, renewal of proposal going to happen, a new beginning is on the cards, a new job, new position could be offered to you. So all these things are connected to your 10 of Pentacles. So this is a long term situation that you want to quit or that you want to embrace. So basically it can be in your personal life or your professional life, Virgo, but whatever you need to do, the risk is contemplated, but angels are saying that with Temperance there is a definite departure at this time. So with patience, you got to make this decision because this is connected to your legacy wealth. This could be a house matter, this could be a job matter, this could be a long-term coupleship with someone, a love or a marriage situation. So some of you need to gather more information and not do things in immaturity. So with the 9 of Pentacles, it is telling us that you will have enough in terms of your economy. You can support yourself if you are taking a decision. With the 3 of Wands, you can expect the best results in this time period. So whatever you have worked upon can bring you the greatest of results. So if you are wanting to know whether you will pass that interview, whether that job offer will come, whether that project will finish, whether that lover will come, everything is in affirmative. Through this reading, I can tell you everything is in affirmative. With the 3 of Pentacles and the Emperor card, there could be, however, a situation where you have to keep track of other people's goal as well. So you might be in a situation where other people's goals are taking precedence over your own decisions. So you could be bothered by that. There could be dominating presence of others who try to control you in your work environment where you want some freedom. So basically you want to make decisions in your life, you want to quit or you want to get out of something, but there is a bothersome situation of common finishing line or a common team situation or a very heavy presence of a father figure or a very heavy masculine figure around you. You have to take care of that. You have to see that common goal as well. You could be a father figure